Hi friends, I'm back with another new amazing tutorial. This is letter C portrait photo editing tutorial. This is very simple and easy. You can also edit exactly like this. Simply follow my video till the end. So you can also edit like this. Friends, if you want photo editing from me, all you have to do is you have to join and take the membership of this channel. Okay, you can find the join button beside the subscribe button. So you have to join to the and take the membership. So you can get some free perks like the badges. When you comment, you will get the special badge side of your name, and you can also get free photo editing, and you can interact with me in Instagram with an instant reply. So I hope you join and you can also get these amazing perks. Now let's check in video without wasting time. First of all, I have to open Picsart application. See you there.